Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some beautiful crystal heart clip-on earrings. You're gonna need some crystals, a couple of crystal connectors, some pearl hearts, a couple of eye pins, 2 head pins, and your clip-on earrings. Use our head pin and go right through our heart. Stack our crystals on our eye pin. Bring the wires to the back. Cut. Roll. Open our loop. Add on our crystals and close it down. Open our loop, add on our crystals, and close it down. Open our top loop, add on our connector, and close it down. Open up our clip-on. Twist, hang on our earring, and close it down. Twist to open, hang on our earring, and close it down. And there you have it. So pretty, right? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.